Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. It may get a little loud in just a moment, so you might want to turn down your audio. But today is an Xbox Series X HDMI port replacement, Expedited. It was originally for same day, but things got all backed up, and they said, hey, you know what, Steve? Just have it ready by tomorrow. So let's get it done. The board is prepped. The port is prepped. We literally just need to get it attached, bolt her up, and test it. Let's go ahead and dig in. There was a whole world of dust bunnies we had to clean out too, so this is some residual that I pulled from it. Alright, so we just gotta secure these posts and then we could bolt her up and test her out. Dope. That's the final outcome on the pins. That is the final outcome on the... Actually, that was the post. These are the pins. Let's bolt her up. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Membership's now available. Store now open.